Naghahanap ka ba ng affordable na resort at sobrang lapit lang sa Metro Manila? Welcome sa Timberland Highlands Resort in San Mateo, Rizal. Check out this breathtaking view. You can see the city skyline up here. If you're a nature lover, this resort is perfect for you. First stop, the Ridge Cafe. They offer a wide selection of delicious food at very affordable prices. Next, visit Baker J, their newly opened coffee shop. The pastries and coffees are amazing, and the relaxing ambience is a bonus. This is the kids' playroom. For families, the kids' playroom is a must-see. The whole family, especially the kids, will love it here. Feeling adventurous? Try their wall climbing activity. They also have basketball and badminton courts. Check out the Equinox Fitness Center. It's spacious and equipped with everything you need for a great workout. Don't miss the Instagrammable Infinity Swimming Pool. It's a perfect place to relax and unwind with family and friends. And look at the stunning view, overlooking the city skyline, perfect for taking beautiful pictures. But wait, there's more! Starting June 3, 2024 up to September 30, 2024, enjoy the Timberland Day Out promo. 600 pesos per person for age 13 and above, and 300 pesos for kids age 2 to 12. What are you waiting for? Visit Timberland Highlands Resort in San Mateo, Rizal. Your perfect getaway in just a drive away.